Hello everyone, welcome back to another banger video. Today, we're going to be talking about ctypes and the ctypes module in Python. It serves as a bridge, allowing Python to call C functions in its dynamic link libraries or shared libraries, and has facilities to create, access, and manipulate C data types in Python. Alright, so let's hop right into it. Now, the ctypes module is part of Python's standard library, meaning that it's always available and requires no installation. To start using it, all we have to do is just import the library. But why would we want to use C functions in Python? Well, while Python is a great language for developing applications quickly, it doesn't quite match the speed of a language like C. This is where ctypes comes in handy, allowing us to call pre-compiled C functions. This can make your application faster in some cases. Let's take a look at an example. The C standard library math.h has a function called pow that computes the power of a number. We can access this function in Python using ctypes. Here's how. In this example, we're loading the C standard library using ctypes.cdll and then calling the pow function. Note that the shared library you need to load will depend on your operating system. While we've used libc.so.6 here, which is commonly found on Linux systems, Windows, for example, would typically use msvcrt.dll. Remember to be cautious when working with ctypes. It's a powerful tool, but it is also really easy to crash your program if you're not careful, as C libraries have no safeguard against misuse. As always, use the right tool for the right job. And that's going to be it for this video on ctypes. If you found it helpful, drop a like, drop a comment down below, and we'll catch you in the next one.